Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. My name is Asif and I am present before you to learn and understand the new subtopic, chapter number 5, exponent, class 7. The subtopic is a square root and their examples, okay, and how to find the square root. Now first we will discuss about the square root. Now see, students, here I have already written about the definition of a square root. A square root, the square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. Now have a look with the help of examples and we are going to understand. See, suppose example, a square root of 4. A square root of 4. Now what do you mean by square root of 4? Now here says the square root of a given number is the square root of a given number, this given number e, and we have to find the square root of this given number 4, and says is that number whose square is the given number. First of all, find the square root of this number. Now this square root is written as this symbol, a square root of 4, okay, and this could be written as this 2 times of 2 multiplied by 2, because 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 is 4, and there is a pair of 2, means single one numbers is out. So this is the square root of 4. Now hence now we are going to match this number is fulfills or not. Here once again, the square root of a given number is that number. The square root of a given number means talking about this number. The square root of given number is 2. Is that number 2 is that number whose square is, whose square means 2's square, whose square is, square means 2 raised to power 2, whose square is the given number means 2 to the 4. Once again friends, very simple, the square root of a given number, द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए गिवेन नंबर, किसी भी गिवेन नंबर का जो स्क्वायर रूट है, जैसे अगर स्क्वायर रूट अगर 4 की बात करें तो 4 की स्क्वायर रूट 2 है, वो ऐसा नंबर है जिसका स्क्वायर करने पे, यानी इसका आंसर लाने पे इसका स्क्वायर करने पे फिर मुझे वही गिवेन नंबर मिलता है. ओके, आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. अनदर एग्जांपल सपोज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36 इज नथिंग बट इट इज़ द नंबर, द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36 इज द नंबर, the square of that number becomes the given number 36, and the once again the square of these two numbers becomes the 36, because 6 raised to power 2 means 6 multiplied by 6 twice. Okay, 6 6 is 36. I hope you will understand. Now the square root of any number is could be written as the symbol root square root. Okay, this is the symbol of a square root. Here is the 2 is hidden. This is why we are going to make a pair inside the number. Suppose 36 is here. Now if we are interested, my motto is to be, we are going to pair these numbers, we are going to pair this number 6 multiplied by 6 same numbers. Okay, here is the 2. Now 6, the answer is 6. So this is why, because here is the 2 is hidden. Okay, 2 is hidden. Now friends, see the next point, how to find the square root. The first point is method of finding a square root. Okay, now whatever the number is given, first of all find the prime factor of the given numbers and try to make a pair of the same number. As I have given examples, suppose here is the example, square root, find a square root 196. Find the prime, first of prime factors. Okay, here's the 2, and we can write this is fine. 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16. Once again 2 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 8, and 2 9 ja 18. Once again 7 7 ja. Now try to make a pair, because 2 goes to this 7 and 2 goes to this 7. That means 14 and 14. This could be written as 14 multiplied by 14 directly. Okay, because 14 is 196, and we are going to make a pair of the same numbers. Okay, because here is the 2 is hidden. Now in this 2, now we bring this one number out of this square root. That means this becomes 14. 14 is your answer. We can say the square root of 196 is 14. Okay, and the once again the square of this number, this new number, becomes the same given number 196. Okay, I hope you will get. Now friends, now the time solving exercise problem, exercise 5C. Okay friends, now these are the objective type of questions. Mark the tick against the correct answer in each of the following. There are 4 options for each questions. Then we cannot directly the tick mark. Okay, first of all, solve the questions with the full of explanation, then match either answer A, B, C or D. Okay friends, these are all the previous types of question. These are the mix of the previous concept. Okay, and now see the first questions here. Here I have already solved. Here the first 6 raised to power minus 1 minus 8 raised to the power minus 1, the whole raised to power minus 1 is equal to what? Option A is correct, B, C or D is correct. Okay, now first, so have a look. Now this 6 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6 raised 1 by 6 raised to power 1 is hidden. Okay, now here 6 raised to power minus 1 could be written as 1 by 6 raised to power 1 is hidden. This is minus 8 raised to power minus could be written as 1 by 8 raised to power plus 1. Okay, if you bring these numbers in denominator, so this power should be positive. Here is the positive, and one power is always hidden on the top of the number, right? And this is minus 1 is as it is. Okay, now first we have to solve the in the brackets area. Okay, now take the LCM of 6 and 8, 24 LCM. Now divide this LCM by 6. 6 4 ja 24, 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, minus same, divide 24 by 8, 8 3 ja 24, and 3 multiplied by 1, 3 1 ja 3, 4 minus 3, and this is as it is. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and 24, and 24 whole raised to power minus 1. Okay, that means this could be written as 24 is up and 1 is downwards, and the positive sign here is 1. Okay, that means says 24 is your answer. So D answer. I hope you will understand. Okay, watch this video lecture till the end. Okay, now see the next question number 4. Okay, now friends, see question number 4. 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Okay, is equal to what? Option A is correct, B or C or D is correct. Now first we have to solve. First, the raised to the power minus, that means if we take this 2, this is as a numerator, then and this becomes 2 by 1. Okay, and which is 1 is hidden. Raised to the power plus 2, remember. Now this is also 3 by 1 raised to the power plus 2, and 4 by 1 raised to the power plus 2. If we take this denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator, then the power should be positive. The power is as it is, but the we have to change this sign. Okay, now here is 2 raised to power 2. Yes, 4, 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3 ja 9. Now 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, 4 4 ja 16. Now add all the values. 16 plus 9, 24 plus sorry, to 25 plus 4, 29. Okay, B answer. Okay, now see friends, question number 20. By what number should minus 8 raised to the power minus 1 be multiplied to get 10 raised to power minus 1? There are 4 options: A 4 by 5, B minus 5 by 4, C minus 4 by 5, and D none of this. Now in order to solve, first of all have a look. Now here the what number, suppose x be the number multiplied by minus 8 raised to the power minus 1 to get 10 raised to power minus 1. Okay, what number we have to suppose this what number. Okay, now here I have already supposed that what number is x. This number is multiplied by this as according to the questions, and we get this number. Now hence according to this number, x is multiplied by minus 8 raised to the power minus 1 to get means to is equal to 10 raised to power minus 1. Then we have to find this value. Okay, now this is x as it is. Now write on minus 1, and this is here goes to right hand side with the in denominator position. Okay, like this. Okay, now have a look. This could be written as 1 by 10. okay, because 10 is minus 1. Here is the 1 is hidden, so 1 go up, that means 1 is up and 10 is down. Okay, here is the 1 power is hidden, divided by same this minus or either 1 by minus 8 raised to the power, here raised to the power plus 1. Okay, raised to the power plus 1, because 1 is hidden, 1 is go up, minus 8 is downwards, raised to power minus 1. Okay, now here 1 by 10 as it is. If we change this operation as multiplication, we have to change their values, means the reciprocal of this minus 8 divided by 1. Minus 8 is up and 1 is downward. Okay, now this is numerator multiply by numerator, 1 multiply by minus 8 divided by this 10 multiply by 10, denominator multiply by denominator. Okay, now this is minus 8 divided by 10. Now yes, it will get cancelled by 2. 2 5 ja 10 and 2 4 ja 8. Here is the minus 4 by 5. So please match. This is yes. B is your, sorry, minus 4 by 5. Yes, C is your answer. I hope you will understand. So your homework, friends, question number 1 to 21, because these are the not a new questions. All questions you have already familiar about all the questions that are mentioned in the exercise 5C. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Write your name, class as well in the comment box and dot questions. Okay, exercise 5C, your homework is question number 1 to 21. Okay, have a nice day.